Hi ladies, welcome to week 4. We are on the other side of the track now and on the home stretch to finish the course. Week 4 has to do with informatics and technology in leadership and management. And our competencies are to apply informatics and technology to optimize provision of healthcare, to explain the use of informatics and technology in your nursing practice, to discuss the strengths and weaknesses in the type of healthcare delivery system you're presently using in your healthcare environment, to explore the application of a new electronic method to optimize the provision of patient care, and to illustrate the utilization of information in informatics and technology in leadership and management. So nursing informatics has a lot to do with a lot of things. There are quite a few challenges that come along with informatics, but there is also quite a few rewards when you look in terms of organization and being able to report things and structure and things like that. So do you have an informatics nurse at your facility? Do you know what he or she does on a daily basis, what their job entails? Do you have a nursing informatics team? Do you have a physician informatics team? And do you have a nursing informatics council? So again, would this nursing informatics council have any power to make any decisions about informatics at your facility? And what do you think about social media and its effects on communication? Has the way we communicate with each other changed since we have so many social media avenues? And most importantly, has it changed the way we communicate in nursing and in medicine? And has that been a good thing or a bad thing? Some things to think about. I look forward to seeing you ladies online. Bye.